We're going to take a walk. We're going to be by a train station. Going to watch the train come in. Back home, you got to pay to get in. You're not going to be able to get onto the platform. So yeah, we'll walk on over here, wait for the train to come. All right, so check it out. We got some time. Next train, 52 minutes? No. So yeah, I'm on the platform. I'm just gonna walk down the platform. Maybe we'll see a train come in one way or the other. We'll put the camera down, step away, and see how it looks. Oh look, I'm on the wrong track. I got 5 minutes to get there. I'm gonna just come on down over here, and I'm gonna watch the train come in from the street side. Oh, the red lights, the cars going by. Any minute, got a minute's time. There's the train. Here it comes. Want to hop on board, go for a ride, go to the city, enjoy the fun? Oh man, I'm going to enjoy myself today. Maybe go watch another train or just continue to do some walking. Oh, it's going. Fish, watch that step, man. I forgot to change my settings. 12,800. No more trains came by. And I could have walked to the water. Maybe we'll get some shots at a bakery. And off we go. Couldn't get footage what I wanted to show, but here I am later on the bike. I hooked up to my power bank with the cable. This time I remember wrapped it all around my, you got it, mount. Yeah, so I'm on AC. What happens to you, baby? You just fall like that. I could do the same thing to the DJI M2. Put a little power bank on it. I'll be all powered up. How's the wind kicking to you? Test 1, 2, 3. AI on, noise reduction. Test 1, 2, 3. Just about almost the same amount of pressure. And how about now? It's all underneath the shirt. I should sound good. Hopefully I got the stop button right here. I think this is where I get a solar panel, power bank, put it on the bike. So the sun hits it, generates the power, charges the unit while you got it, charging the DJI Osmo Action 4. Thank you very much for that DM, people call it today, PM, private message. Yeah, I was told that the first batch of the Ace Pro has a focus issue and that the new batch no longer has it. Meaning, was it a firmware update that fixed it of the old batch? I don't know. I don't love flip top screens anymore, but I have a Sony ZV-1 Mark II that is a flip around screen that pulls out that the camera overheats after a while. And I doubt a screen could cause overheating when it's not even attached to a camera. Oh, I didn't even hear that thing go on. But I'm going up. Was I sounding good at the beginning? I could do my talks here, but why? You can hardly see me. The sun's over there, nice and bright and lit up. I hope I got a good job with my new settings that I raised to ISO 100, 12,800. DJI, please give us a yellow screen that gives a couple of flashes or one large flash so I can know that I am, you know, recording with the shutter button over here. How's that sound to you? Do I sound good? Oh, yeah, baby. I'm just gonna rest here for a few minutes.